I drive a Mercedes GL 450. My check engine light in our GL 450 went on. It's just like service stuff that you need, like a service B type of thing. And our old guy was on the other side of town. So we needed somewhere that we can go close, to someone that we can kind of trust. And we found you guys by reputation, word of mouth. And we came, we dropped the car off. You guys called me right away with like a diagnostic, which didn't cost anything, which was really cool. And you guys fixed the car for me, and I had it back the next day. It was quick, it was easy, and now I have somewhere I feel like I can go and trust for life, and that's important. There's a million different places you can go, but you have to. It's about trusting someone. It's about reviews are super important for people. So like anyone these days is going to look at reviews, and in a business like your guys, you're not going to please everybody. So there's always going to be someone unhappy about something, but who is happy when their car breaks down. So you want to go somewhere you can trust, someone who's going to give you a fair number, someone's going to fix the car and fix the car right, one time, not something that's going to lead to something else or going to linger forever. You want it fixed, and you want it fixed right. I'm Danny Williams from Mile High Sports Radio, and I love Saul's Autotek. I love these guys.